Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Ansari, and in this video I'll walk you through my project for assignment 10, that is flight fare calculation using API and rest assured. We'll cover what the project is based about, how I created the mock API, and we are testing it using Postman and Java with rest assured, and finally a demo of the test cases. So first of all, let's go through the objective, and this is what we have to do. The goal of the assignment is to simulate a RESTful API for calculating flight fare. We are supposed to use a mock backend, send, post, put, get request, validate response codes, and automate test using REST assured in Eclipse. First of all, to simulate the backend API, I use npx json-server, that is right here, and put the file location of db.json file, and let me show you my db.json. Just a second. Yeah, there we go. Let's close this. Let me show you my db.json file. Okay, it's not here. Mm, This is my db.json file. Here we have the fare section. Uh, and each fare has fields like source, destination, travel date, base fares, taxes, passenger count, and total fare. As you can take a look at this, the first one was initially created, and rest of them, these and these, are created by post and put methods. I'll also show you in the Postman. Now, talking about API testing using Postman. Once the API is live, I use Postman to test the endpoints manually. I created a post request to Fares with JSON data for a new flight booking. Let me show you how these actually work. Let me check. Actually, we have closed the npx JSON server. So what we need to do is go back, copy this file path, and run the npx server on command prompt again. Okay, right now I hope this thing works. And here you can see our get server is working perfectly fine. We will use the post method with some modifications because I've already changed it. So let's change this right here. And this has added a new one. We can also update the one. Let's say we have to increase the fare to 6,200. And you can see the put is also working perfectly fine. So we are done with this part, and now we have to go to the automated testing using REST Assured and Eclipse. Next, I have automated the test using Java REST Assured. First of all, I created a Maven repository named Fair API Automation. I added some code in the POM XML. Let me show it to you. I added some dependencies which consist of REST Assured, org testing, and this one. Then in the SRC test Java, I created a package and a class Fair API test. What this exactly does is the Fair API test sends a post request to add a new fare and asserts the status code 201. This shows the Let me show you. This is the test update fare, and this does exactly what the put test does updates an existing record like taxes, total fare, or prices, asserts status code 200, and prints updated response. That's all for my submission of assignment 10 flight fare calculation API. I've demonstrated mock server setup, manual testing, automated validation, and everything mentioned in the assignment. Thanks for watching. This is Abubakar Ansari signing off. Thank you all.